Wally were doing something special today.
We are! Score! Veronica, this is the best Valentine's Day ever.
At your service.
Where have you been all my life?
Oh, Buzz.
Hi there, Wendy. Mind if I join you?
Actually, Wally, morning is me time.
I thought the Valentine's Day was supposed to be we time. Ah.
I'm on the case.
Wally, you're so soft and doughy.
Voila! Winnie's gonna love this. Oops.
Oh, Woody! Look, I made your favorite.
Winnie, you're the best.
Woody, I've been thinking. Don't you agree that it's time we made our relationship more committed?
Committed? Huh?
I do.
Ah! I just remembered. I forgot to pay my taxes.
Cartoon characters don't pay taxes! You know what to do.
Piece of cake.
Commitment. Ha! I don't need no stinking commitment. I'm an independent agent, a solo act. I'm free. Free as a bird. Hey, what's the big idea?
Just hold still, sir. This'll only take a second.
Whoa!
Come on. Why you running from love?
I'm allergic to it!
I'll just have to up my game.
Whoa! Yikes!
Say hello to my little friend.
Persistent little guy, isn't he? Fire in the hole! Yoo-hoo! Missed me again!
Oh, I didn't want to have to do this. You'll thank me one day.
Hey, Cupid Bear, I'll make it easy for ya. You couldn't hit a... Uh-oh.
Latest model, heat seeker.
Wow! Shh! I'm hiding from the missile. The missile! Yikes! Wow! Hey, you're it!
Ooh, wow. Why, hello there. I want to be your Valentine.
Huh? What happened to Woody?
Forget the woodpecker. He doesn't deserve you. Let's get married right now.
I just remembered. I forgot to pay my taxes.
Come back, love of my life.
Happy Valentine's Day, folks. And remember, if you spot a flying panda... Hey, wait a second, you wing weirdo. Winnie's my girl. I want to be committed. I changed my mind. I want to be committed. Commit me. Commit me. Brazil is the best, Winnie, and just the two of us. And your mom says I'm not romantic.
Oh, it's beautiful. Come on, let's get a picture together. Extend the arm. Don't block the mountain. A little more. More. A little to the left. Higher. Perfect. It's so nice to get some us time. Just you, me, and romantic Rio de Janeiro.
Olá, meus amigos!
Hey! Winnie, meet my newest amigo, Luis, the best tour guide in all of South America. I invited him to join us all weekend. Isn't that great?
Define great. You know what they say, sweetie. Two's company.
É três a festa!
Oh, yeah! Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba.
It is lovely to meet you, minha querida.
Ooh,
Hey now.
relax. Luis is just being polite.
Won't you let me show you my beautiful city?
Ooh, see. Oh, Luis, you're so funny. I do declare, your tropical sun has me simply parched.
Fear not, minha querida. Luis will secure for you a refreshing coconut beverage.
And nuts to that, I'll cut out the middleman. Mission accomplished. Missed me. Oh,
Obrigada, Luis. Did I pronounce that right?
Like a local. Believe me when I say, you have not truly experienced Brazil until you have attended one of our football matches.
Oh, Luis, I absolutely adore football.
Then I will purchase the finest seats for us, minha querida.
hey, since when did you start caring so much about soccer?
Since Luis made it sound so enchanting.
Forgive me. The match is sold out. It is a championship contest. Brazil and Sweden.
That's all right, Luis. I'm sure you'll find something else for us to do that's just as wonderful.
Ah. Oh no. If it's football the lady wants, then it's football the lady will get. It's Woody's turn to be wonderful.
Woody, what are you doing?
After you. Allow me.
Oh, what's that smell? Woody, are you sure the storm drain leads into the stadium?
Actually, this might be more of a, how you say, sewer?
Hey, look! Daylight! See? I told you I'd get us into the stadium.
So, how close are we to the field?
Best seats in the house.
With the score tied and only seconds on the clock, Eliasinho, he shoots!
Oh!
What? That was clearly fan interference, yeah.
How can it be fan interference? I'm not even a fan.
All right, there is nothing in the rule book about a migrating woodpecker. Brazil wins!
Oh! I take it back. I am a fan. I love this game.
And I love you, Woody.
And I love
I
you.
hope they are carrying us to the showers, amigos. You two smell terrible. Phew!
My friend, let the experts show you how it's done.
Welcome, everybody. It's nearly time for my annual Easter egg hunt. Collect as many kaleidoscopic eggs as you can. And whoever finds the most wins this giant chocolate bunny.
Chocolate.
Wouldn't it be nice if we won, Woody? We could share the bunny with the twins.
Share? Oh, no. I've been training for months. I'm flying solo on this mission.
Fine, then you can take your overstuffed bunny friend to the movies next weekend.
You have 30 minutes. Oh, one more thing. If you find the gigantic egg I hid, it counts as 25 regular-sized ones. Let the games begin.
Got one. And another one.
Attention, egg people. 15 minutes to go.
I gotta find me that extra egg.
See ya!
Attention, 10 minutes remaining.
We got this in the bag.
Look at all these eggs, babe! The bonus egg, baby! This game's a lock! What's going on here?
Buzz, can you hear me?
Look, Veronica, we won!
Oh, yoy, the mother load. Huh? It's so light.
That's 'cause it's a balloon.
Huh? Huh? No! Oh, no! Scramble for the eggs!
Bye! Have a nice flight! Hey! You poached our eggs. You mean our eggs? Yeah, our eggs.
Say that again to my face, you
Why don't you pick on
flightless
someone
bird.
your own size? Why don't you take your new boyfriend and beat it like an egg?
Good one, babe.
Oh, bye, you little...
Don't mind me. I'm just cleaning up.
Oh, no, you don't.
Uh-oh. Huh? She's gonna blow!
Woody!
Well, you can't make an omelet without breaking a few eggs.
No, nobody'll get the chocolate.
Thanks a lot, Woody.
3, 2, 1. What happened?
Why don't you ask Woody?
The yolk is on all of you. Looky what I just found. I'm the winner.
Sorry, Woody, but that's not the egg I hid.
What are you talking about? Huh? What?
Mama!
Help!
You wanted the bunny all to yourself, remember?
Oh.
Mama! Mama!
Anyone hungry? Well, happy Easter, everybody.
Another beautiful beautiful evening. But you know what would make it perfect? A piping hot pizza. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. Huh? Wow! Pizza delivery has gotten really high-tech.
Grandmother could land a ship better than you, and she's blind in one eye.
Grandmother only has one eye.
Precisely.
Don't mean to interrupt, fellas, but do you two have my pizza?
Pizza? We're aliens from a distant galaxy. My name is Glorbnorb, the third.
And I'm Todd. We've been sent on a mission to bring a typical Earthling back to our planet for study.
Would you care to volunteer?
Will there be pizza?
No, but there will be experimentation.
And probing.
And maybe a little dissection.
Thanks for the offer, but I just remembered how much I like keeping my anatomy intact. Maybe another time.
Stop, potential Earthlings fascinating!
Snapped.
Oops, maybe I should have yelled timber! Boy, oh boy, yum diggity. The old holographic pizza trick. Oh, poison! They got me!
How can anyone be poisoned by a hologram?
I suspect foul play.
Me too!
Double snapped!
I wonder what the other settings do. I'm gonna leave, but you guys are welcome to stay and chillax.
That Earthling is going to learn that 2 heads are better than 1, even if one of them is an idiot.
I can hear you, you know. We share a body.
Don't remind me.
Pepperoni. Huh? Huh? Whoa! Yikes! Every kid's gonna want one of those for Christmas.
There it is.
Initiate capture.
This is gonna be fun. Whoa! Yoo-hoo! Over here, Tin Man. Look what you did.
We broke the 4th wall. It was an accident.
We're insured.
I certainly hope so. Sorry about that, folks. Now, where were we? Oh, yeah. Come on, you rust bucket. Show me what you got. Show me what you Yo, over here, you bag of bolts.
That's it! No more Mr. Nice Alien! Got him!
Is that the best you got? If you want, I could paint a target on me. A little privacy, please.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Please excuse us. Hey,
Wait a minute.
huh?
Where'd he go?
Hey, fellas, up here. Heads up.
Seriously?
Is that the best he can do?
I hope you saved the receipt on that thing.
We surrender.
And if I ever catch you guys in my neighborhood again, I'll peck you so full of holes, you'll double as lawn sprinklers.
Let's get out of here!
For once, I agree with you. That Earthling is a lunatic.
Lunatic? I'll take that as a compliment. Hello? I'd like to order a pizza to be delivered, please. On second thought, I'll come pick it up.